Okay, back for hide and seek, and I am recording. Okay. Say hi to. Okay, let's seek me some wrong blocks. Hey, I saw someone move right there. You, die. I'm terrible. Whee! Okay, die already. Okay, I'm just looking around. Okay. Oh my god. Stupid block. Ah, come on. Die. Come on, die. Where can I kill him? Oh my god. What? What is this? What? Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the... Oh god, die. Die at least one block. One block must at least die. Yes. Kill that guy. We'll kill you too. Oh, at least I killed one block. I'm very happy that I killed one block. And, yeah. She's on YouTube. How can you... Oh my god! That just scared me a lot. Oh god. Okay. Why is that stair there? Those stairs are not in correct places. Well, maybe those are, but... Okay, water closer. Yeah. Trying to find... Why is it there? Die! How do I cook? Oh god, I can't see. I don't know why. Okay, let's see. 2 blocks. You! That was the wrong one. Aww. Why did I do? Okay, beat him up. Beat that coal block. Where did he go? Oh my god, I'm on fire. Oh my god. Okay, bye YouTube. No, this is not real, bye. God. Okay, let's see what to do. Oh my god, I'm fire. Oh god, I didn't notice that I wasn't. You too. You must die. I'm Seeker. I was like... Oh, I'll get out of here. Honestly. Okay, let's check this out. I want to try to hide here. Looks very weird. Now this is the second episode of hide and seek. I've never been on the second floor before. What? There's a wound on the floor. Quartz. At least I killed one block. Okay, that looks normal. Some blocks could hide there. Oh, okay. It's closed. Let's see. Okay. Try to die. Oh, so those weren't the correct ones. He killed the right one, I think. Like the wrong one. You know what I mean. I think. I hope so. Why aren't there redstone blocks here? It looks very, very strange. I'm honestly saying that this looks very strange. Steve heads and everything. Okay. Hope the Seekers win. I never won as a seeker. Okay. I can say that I'm terrible at this game. I'm only good at I'm not even good at hiding. That's what I can say. Can't say. Not can't say. Chasing something. Where is everyone hiding? Okay. Welcome to the Metropole Hotel, created by Struble Desperation. Oh god. Okay, well, thanks for watching and bye.